Welcome to the Moomoo mobile app tutorial. This guide will walk you through the process of using the Moomoo app, a trading platform that offers a wide range of financial products and services. First, download and install the Moomoo app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your account through the email sent by Moomoo. After verifying your account, log into the app using your credentials. The home screen displays various financial products, including stocks, options, and ETFs. Browse through the different sections to get familiar with the app's layout. To start trading, tap on the Trade button and select the type of product you want to trade. For example, if you want to buy a stock, tap on the Stock section and search for the stock you are interested in. View the stock's details, including its current price, trading volume, and market trends. Before placing an order, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. You can deposit funds into your account through the app by tapping on the Deposit button. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the instructions. To place an order, tap on the Buy or Sell button. Depending on your trading decision, enter the number of shares you want to trade and select your order type, such as market or limit order. Review your order details carefully before confirming. The Moomoo app also offers various analytical tools and charts to help you make informed trading decisions. Tap on the Chart button to view the stock's historical price data and technical indicators. In addition to trading, the Moomoo app provides real-time market news and updates. Tap on the News button to stay up to date with the latest market trends and analysis. To manage your account, tap on the Account button and view your account balance, trading history, and other account information. You can also set up price alerts and customize your app settings to suit your trading needs. Finally, the Moomoo app offers customer support and educational resources to help you improve your trading skills. Tap on the Help button to access the app's support center and learn more about the platform's features and services. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Moomoo mobile app to trade and manage your financial products. Remember to always trade responsibly and seek professional advice if needed.